Everyone, today we'll discuss about the problem of data navigation. We'll try to understand this concept by an example. So in Java, suppose we have an user and it has some billing details. To fetch the billing details, what we can do is we can just write some user dot get billing details or user dot get billing details. That's how we fetch the billing details of an user. Okay. Now to achieve the same thing in database, what we can do is we have to join two tables, users table and billing details table. Okay, you can see here, select star from users billing details where user id equals something and billing details id is something. So that's how we fetch the users as well as billing details of a particular user. Now think about it, when you are using some persistent solution. Suppose I will try to fetch the users. So that time the billing details are not automatically fetched. When this happen, when you are using any persistent solution like JDBC or some implementation of JPA, by default it doesn't happen. If you are fetching users, the associated objects like billing details won't be fetched automatically. So something like this you can see here. So at the line number 1, if you see, I am trying to fetch the user details. Okay, I got the list of users. In the for loop, if you see, what I'm doing is user dot get billing details. Okay, so that time what happened, it tries to communicate with database to get the billing details of the user. So what actually happened here, first you run an query to fetch the user. Second, you are running another query to fetch the billing details. So at line number 1, you have list of users, but those users doesn't have billing details. Inside the for loop, when you try to fetch those billing details, that time the persistent solution create set of queries to fetch the billing details of the users. So this problem is called n plus 1 problem. Here n is number of user and plus 1 is the associated instances or objects. So the n plus 1 problem causes performance degradation. So Hibernate has solution for this kind of problem. We'll see in our upcoming videos. But as of now, to remember, this kind of situation is called the problem of navigation. Thank you.